Hey guys, Dr. Grady here at Restoration Chiropractic, and today I have Connie. Connie's been coming to our office now for about 2 years, and I'm going to let her share her chiropractic experience with you guys.
Hi. I've had a lot of improvement since I've been coming to Restoration Chiropractic. I had about 2 years, I've been coming 2 years, and initially when I came, sometimes when I would sit at my desk for a long time and get up, I would have really issues getting my body moving and motivated. Since I've been coming here, I've got a lot of improvement in my mobility. Also, I do sleep better. And I've had some issues with specific joints, and anytime that I have an issue, Dr. Grady addresses that, and it helps a lot. So I would encourage anybody to use chiropractic.
Thanks, Connie.